class I teach symbol of element. Now I briefly explain about element and their symbols. Some symbols are used on basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. There are 11 elements. Look at the table here. Old name is Latin name, new name is English name. Of the element sodium. Latin name is natrium. Their symbol is Na. Next one, name of the element potassium. Latin name is gallium. Symbol K. Name of the element iron. Latin name is ferrum. Symbol is Fe. Name of the element copper. Latin name is cuprium. Symbol is Cu. Name of the element silver. Latin name is argentinum. Symbol is Ag. Name of the element gold. Latin name is aurum. Symbol is Au. Name of the element mercury. Latin name is hydrogyrum. Symbol is Hg. Name of the element tin. Latin name is sternum. Sn. Name of the element lead. Latin name is plumbum. Symbol is Fb. Name of the element antimony. Latin name is strontium. Symbol is Sb. Name of the element tungsten. Latin name is wolfram. Symbol is W. Some elements are named using name of country, scientist, color, mythological character, planet. Here first we get some elements. Americium, symbol is Am, name derived from America country. Name of the element europium, symbol is Eu, name derived from Europe country. Name of the element nobelium, symbol No, name derived from Alfred Nobel, scientist. Name of the element iodine, symbol I, name derived from violet color, Greek. Name of the element mercury, symbol Hg, name derived from god Mercury, mythological character. Name of the element plutonium, symbol Pu, name derived from Pluto, planet. Name of the element neptunium, symbol Np, name derived from Neptune, planet. Name of the element uranium, symbol U, name derived from Europe. Do you know how to write symbol for a given element? While writing a symbol for an element, we should adhere to the following method. If the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. Example, oxygen O, potassium K. For element having a two-letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by smaller letter. Example, Na. First letter, capital letter N. Next, second letter. What is the significance of the symbol of an element? Symbol of element signifies name of the element, one atom of the element. For example, symbol O stands for the element of oxygen, one stand for the element of oxygen, one atom of oxygen. Metal and non-metals. Metal and non-metals. The progress of man towards civilization is linked with the discovery of several metal and non-metal. Even today, the index of prosperity of a country depends upon the amount of metal and non-metal it produces and uses. The wealth of a country is measured by the amount of gold in its reserve. These days, metal and non-metals are used for making tools, machines. Common metals used are iron, copper, silver, gold, lead, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, nickel, chromium and mercury. Similarly, the common non-metals used for nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and chlorine. An element can be identified as the metal or non-metal by comparing its property with the general property of a metals and non-metals. In doing so, we find that some elements neither fit with the metals or with non-metals. Such elements are called semi-metals or metalloids. Elements are classified into metal, non-metal and metalloids based on the property. One metal. Now I briefly explain what is metal, the property of metal, copper, gold, silver, etc. that we use in our daily life or metals. Can you add some more example that you come across in day-to-day activities? Physical properties of metal. Physical state. Metal are solid under normal condition of temperature and pressure. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Elements cesium and gallium become liquid at or just above room temperature. Hardness. Most metals are hard. The sodium and potassium, which is soft enough to be cut by a knife. Osmium is so hard that it can scratch glass. Luster. All metals are shiny. All metals are shiny. The typical shine of a metal is called. All metals have a typical metallic luster, an exception in calcium. Sodium and potassium have a expert low density. Metallic point and boiling point are generally have a high density. Sodium in general have a high melting point and boiling point. Sodium, potassium, mercury and gallium are exception. Tensile strength. Metals have the capacity playing with breaking. This property is called tensile strength. It is the property trained with breaking. Use of iron for the construction of railway tracks. Zinc, arsenic and antimony are activity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Silver and copper are very good conductor of electricity. However, bismuth and tungsten are poor conductors. On a being heat, metals produce a typical sound, hence they are to be sonorous. This property is being made used in making temple bells. Sodium and potassium have a constantly low density.